Qinux WaterBlitz is making waves online with flashy ads and bold promises, but is it really the revolutionary cleaning gadget it claims to be, or just another product riding the hype train? Marketed as a powerful attachment that converts any ordinary garden hose into a high-pressure water jet using something called hydropower technology, it supposedly requires no electricity and offers a quick, efficient way to clean everything from dirty patios and grimy driveways to mud-covered bikes, dusty outdoor furniture, tiled surfaces, and even cars. For people who don't want to invest in an expensive electric pressure washer, the idea sounds incredibly convenient and cost-effective. It taps right into the average homeowner's desire for simple, effortless cleaning solutions. But here's where things get questionable. When you dig past the surface, you start seeing signs that things might not be as perfect as advertised. The website is filled with marketing jargon and exaggerated claims that lack any real, technical explanation or proof of innovation. The so-called hydropower technology isn't clearly defined, and it seems more like a buzzword than a real feature. Many of the product photos and videos being circulated appear to be stock images or heavily edited, with several being reused across different websites selling similar items. Then there are the unverifiable claims of media features and endorsements, which feel like a tactic to build trust rather than reflect reality. On top of that, many of the glowing reviews feel scripted, overly positive, and inauthentic, almost like they're part of a promotional campaign rather than actual customer feedback. While some users may genuinely find it useful for light cleaning tasks, others report that it performs just like a standard hose nozzle and lacks the power needed for more intense jobs. It's not necessarily a total scam, but it's also far from the miracle cleaner it pretends to be. So if you're considering the Qinux WaterBlitz, it's worth asking yourself, are you buying into real performance, or just falling for another product built on inflated promises and clever marketing?